The first one I want to talk about is library level publish to Google Scholar and Primo Central. Basically, this is a new feature that is relevant to multi-campus institutions, and they can now publish their records to Primo Central or Google Scholar, not on the institution level, but also on a campus level. So they can choose any subset of campuses or libraries, create any group, and publish only the records from those campuses or libraries and not from the entire institution. So let's go into Alma and see how this is done. So it's important to note this will only work for multi-campus institutions. Alma menu, resource configuration menu, export profiles, and here we're interested in these two export profiles, publish electronic records to Primo Central and publish electronic records to Google Scholar. And it's basically the same idea. For the sake of demonstration, let's take a look at how we configure the publishing to Primo Central to only publish to a certain group of campuses and not to the whole institutions. Actions, edit. And here we have a new section called electronic profiles. And each one of these profiles is basically a group of campuses. So let's create a new one, add profile. And we can call this Western Campuses. Add and close. And here we are, Western Campuses. And let's define which campuses are going to be in this group. So once again, actions, edit. I'm now editing the publishing profile. And here I have two nice buttons, Add Campus and Add Library, which can be used to add the campuses. So let's say I want this publishing profile to publish only those records from the Brighton campus and the Newton campus. So I select Brighton, add campus, Newton, add campus. And here we can see under members the list of campuses that will be, whose records will be published. And in the same spirit, I can also add libraries. So same idea. History library, add library. And computer center, add library. And basically what I've done now is created a publishing profile that's for two campuses, Brighton and Newton, and two libraries, History and Computer Center. And when I save this, and now save the entire publishing profile to Google Scholar, to Primo Central, sorry. And basically now, when we run this publishing job, then it will only run those profiles which are configured, including the new profile I've created, which is for certain, I call it Western campuses, and only records from that subset will be published. So that is our first feature, library and campus level publishing to Google Scholar and Primo Central. And this one's for multi-campus institutions.